You messed up. You said the wrong thing. You walked away from God. You looked in the mirror and thought, I'll never be enough again. But listen to me. Your mistake is not your identity. Your shame is not your name. You are still loved, still chosen, still called. The enemy calls you by your failure when you fall. The enemy whispers, you're a liar, you're dirty, you'll always be broken. God's done with you. But that's not conviction, that's condemnation. Conviction says, come home. Condemnation says, stay out. Jesus doesn't cancel. He restores. Look at Peter, the one who denied Jesus 3 times. Jesus didn't replace him. He restored him. After the resurrection, Jesus finds Peter and doesn't ask, why did you fail me? He asks, do you love me? God isn't holding your worst moment against you. He's still asking the same thing. Do you love me? Then let's keep going. You're not disqualified. You're just in recovery. Your past can't erase your purpose. People might label you based on what you've done. But God calls you by what He put inside you. You are my child. You are forgiven. You are anointed. You are chosen. Paul was a killer of Christians. Then God used him to write half the New Testament. The woman at the well had 5 broken marriages. Then Jesus used her to launch revival in Samaria. Your past doesn't cancel your purpose. It proves God's power. You don't need to be perfect, just willing. God never required perfection, just surrender. Psalm 51-17. A broken and contrite heart you, God, will not despise. God isn't looking for the perfect vessel. He's looking for the available one. If you're willing to lay your guilt at His feet, He'll turn your biggest regret into your greatest redemption story. You are not what you've done. You are who He says you are. So next time the devil reminds you of your past, remind him of his future, and remind yourself of this truth. I am not my mistake. I am a masterpiece in the making. Let grace be louder than shame. Let love be louder than guilt, because God is not done writing your story. Comment below. I am who Jesus says I am. Like the video, subscribe for more messages like this. Share this with someone who feels too far gone.